Hi, this is my Module 1 for AEP800 Innovative Technology Integration. My name is Andrea Jones, and I'm currently teaching in Olathe, Kansas. That little cutie patootie on to the right is my first grade daughter, and myself on the first day of school from last week. I'm in my 14th year of teaching. Primarily, I've taught upper elementary, so 6th grade generally. But I'm currently teaching middle school 7th grade science, and I'm excited to be starting my 3rd year with the same class, same academics, and the same school. So in the past, I've been a little transient. I've taught in 5 different districts in 3 different states. We are really lucky at my current school. All 800 students, we are one-to-one with iPads. We're currently waiting on our iPads. We've had some technology issues per our district, so we're a week in and we still do not have any technology, so we're kind of in the waiting game. It's way different than what I've had in the past. My previous district in Colorado, we had simply had a computer lab, and that was it. And so we're really lucky to have what we have, I feel like. When I look back and reflect on the impacts of innovative ideas and technology in the classroom, I think it drives all of our instruction where I'm currently at, and based off those 21st century skills. I look at everything that we do as a building, we discuss, and we try to see how innovation and technology, how we can incorporate into the 21st century skills. I look at this, it improves our student engagement, it encourages collaboration, especially as a science teacher. I feel like with our students having one-on-one iPads, we have the current and most up-to-date information in the science world right at our fingertips. And I love the saying, we're preparing for jobs that are not even created yet. As educators, I feel like with the movement of technology, our current students are the sky's the limit for them. The other thing, I feel like the influence of innovation, it really creates the opportunities for different life skills, so like flexibility, creativity, perseverance, and obviously that problem solving. Personally, I look at how I incorporate technology. I've had a huge learning curve the last 3 years, and I've jumped in with both feet. Everything from I utilize daily technology from Google Classroom to everything is digital presentations, interactive activities for the students, using technology and other resources we have around the building. I have a goal, like last year we started this, my partner and I, my teaching partner, each quarter we try to incorporate something new with our students. So for example, we might incorporate today's meet, or the kids love Kahoots, so we do that, or just different Google apps, quizzes, Quizlets. We look at different ways we can reach different kids with different to deliver our content. The other thing I love is I try to use opportunities with different technology for PBL formats for our students to have choice. We also use it to collaborate with my colleagues digitally, and then we communicate also digitally by tracking student data. And one example, we also have parent and student communication. Our team has a website, and that was updated daily, so parents are always engaged and have the opportunities they want. My personal plan to enhance current practices, one of the things that I feel like I need to get better at is keeping student achievement as the driving force behind implementing technology. Sometimes I feel like I try it without having a goal in mind, just because it's new and upcoming, just to kind of see. Also making sure that the practices that I'm using, that I'm doing them for a long enough period of time for students can A, understand them, and B, I can see if it's effective or not. One of the examples last year we used Wikispace, and I did it for one project, and that was it. And so once the students learned it, I felt like we should have done it again, like in the next lesson or something. Also gives students the options for their personal strengths and interests. Another example, we let students create TED Talks, and we gave them all sorts of formats they could use to what they were interested in. Funding I feel like is always an issue, but we're so much is out of our hands as teachers, so we just have to be creative. We have to find free tools, and like for example, in our district, we can utilize grants or any special funding within the district or outside. You know, one of the issues I always have is I feel like we need to incorporate that funds into our IT because I feel like all of our processes are down a lot, and so I think that's something that needs to continue to be a funding issue that I feel like we need to put some more monies into that as well. So anyways, looking forward to learning more, and thank you for listening.